Are you preparing for the ServiceNow CIS-Data Foundations exam? This topic, CMDB data quality, can help you score easy marks. Let's understand it in just a few minutes with a simple examples. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn about data quality management in CMDB. I will explain this topic in a simple and clear way with real life examples. By the end of this video, you will understand it for both the exam and real-time use cases. Let's start our questions. So first question is, what is the primary goal of data quality management in CMDB? Option A, create CIs. Option B, monitor and maintain accurate CMDB data. Option C, manage incidents. Option D, assign users. So one more time, please check the question. What is the primary goal of data quality management in CMDB? Data quality management. Data quality means it should be clear, reliable. Management, how you can manage the quality, data quality in the CMDB? So the correct answer is option A, create CI. Option B, monitor and maintain accurate CMDB data. Option C, manage incidents. Option D, assign users. The correct answer is option B, monitor and maintain accurate CMDB data. So data quality management ensures monitor means the data remains accurate, consistent, and reliable. Continuous monitoring and improvement. So continuous monitoring means, for example, we'll take the example of hospitalized patient, inpatient. For continuous monitoring, what they're doing for patient bed, they're attached with the BP, continuous BP monitoring, and heartbeat and pulse oxygen meter, and frequently monitor the sugar values. Why? Because of his maintaining proper health condition. Same logic we can apply here by continuous monitoring and then improvement. So the primary goal of data quality management is, so the primary goal of hospital is to maintain patient health and recover. Same logic we can apply here, continuous monitoring and improvement. So it's not about creating data, but maintaining quality. We can't create the data here, just for the quality of maintaining. Next one, which activity is part of CMDB data quality monitoring? Option A, creating CI. Option B, tracking data completeness and accuracy. Option C, assignment roles. Option D, deleting edges. The correct answer is option B, tracking data completeness and accuracy. Tracking means continuously monitoring, tracking the completeness data and accuracy. So monitoring includes checking continuously data health, like that, checking patient health. Here, where data is the patient, like checking data health. So identifying missing or wrong data. Tracking trends. Trends means how is the trend? How is the last 3 data trends, last 3 months trends, like that. So what is the main purpose of monitoring CMDB data quality? Option A, increase UA speed. Option B, identify data issues and improve quality. Option C, create workflows. Option D, manage assets. So the correct answer is option B, identify data issues and improve quality. So by identifying the data issues, we can improve the data quality. So it means data issues means where are the problems? Problems data. So by means missing data, because some information was missing in the data, it will lead to the errors. Incorrect data. Incorrect data also provides the wrong errors. Duplicate data. Duplicate means same server will be, for example, server 1 and server 001 will be appear with the same number. It will create the duplications. Next one, what is the meant by duplicate CA in CMDB? Option A, CA with missing data. Option B, same real world item represented multiple times. Incorrect data. Option C. Option D, rule violation. Name itself is that. Duplicate means, what's the meaning of duplicate? Multiple. It's a Xerox, nothing but. Option B is the correct answer. Same real world item represented in the multiple times. Multiple times it is representing. For example, same server exists as a multiple records. it leads to the duplication. Next one, why are duplicates a problem? Option A, improvement performance. Option B, cause inaccurate impact analysis. Option C, increase storage. Option D, improve accuracy. The correct answer is option B, cause inaccurate impact analysis. For example, if duplicate servers are with same numbers, what happening? We are very confusing about the analysis of that investigation. So it will lead to the time waste and business losses. So duplicates lead to the wrong relationship, wrong incident impact, and confusion. That's the reason with the duplicate. Next one, what is the remediation in CMDB data quality? Option A, creating new CA. Option B, fixing data issues like duplicates and inaccurates. Option C, deleting users. Option D, assigning roles. The correct answer is option B, fixing data issues like duplicates and inaccuracies. So remediation means it's a remedy. It should be first to identify the problem, then correct the problem. It includes the how we can prevent the or how we can remedy the CMDB data quality by providing identify the problem and the correction. How you can do? By adding, in case of duplicate means merge duplicate CIs, then form the single one, then correct the wrong data. Next one, which approach is used to handle duplicate CIs? Option A, ignore duplicates. Option B, merge or reconcile duplicate records. Option C, create more CIs. Option D, delete all data. So what happening if we face duplicate CIs are there? So in that cases, we are merge the duplicates, then form single record. One CA per real project. Next one, what is the impact of inaccurate CA data? Option A, better decisions. Option B, incorrect incident and change analysis. Option C, faster UI. Option D, more storage. The correct answer is option B, incorrect incident and change analysis. Due to the inaccurate CA, what happening? It's very difficult to the root cause analysis, find the root cause analysis. So wrong data leads to the wrong root cause and wrong impact. Next one, which of the following is a part of data quality improvement? Option A, ignoring issues. Option B, continuous monitoring and remediation. And option C, deleting CMDB. Option D, creating incidents. The correct answer is option B, continuous monitoring and remediation. Next one, what is the final outcome of effective data quality management? Option A, duplicate data. Option B, inconsistent CMDB. Option C, accurate and reliable CMDB. Option D, no data. So the exact answer is option C, accurate and reliable CMDB. It means, so it's the final outcome of effective data quality management is, so quality should be trusted. Quality means trust. How much trust we are creating the quality. So trusted CMDB, then better decisions and smooth operations. So these are the key points of CMDB data management. So first point is CMDB data should be accurate, consistent, and reliable. It means the data in CMDB must be correct and trustworthy. For example, if a server status is shown as active, then it should be actually be active in the real life, but it should not be inactive. It should be active. Then only the data should be accurate and consistent and reliable. Second one is CMDB data can become outdated, duplicate, or incorrect over the time. It means data can become outdated, duplicate, or incorrect. So over the time, CMDB data may become wrong. How it will wrong? Because, for example, a server is removed, but still shown as active in case of inactive instead of inactive. That's the wrong. The same server is entered twice, duplicate entry here, or wrong IP address is stored. It will lead to the incorrect data, outdated data, or duplicate data. Next one, third one. Continuous process gives monitoring, detecting, and remediation and improve. It means this is very important for the exam point of view. For monitoring is the, what's the meaning of monitoring? Continuous checking. What check here is the regular check the data. And detect means while continuing monitoring, what we can detect? For example, while continually monitoring, we can detect the BP issue. So that's the identify issues. Then what will happen? It will cause the harmful to the human body. Then we can remedy for that immediately with the treatment, a medicine treatment or a surgery. Here, same here, we can apply in the as a remedy for the data quality. Here the fix issues. We remedy by the fixing the issues, then improvement. Then it's prevent the same issue in the future. For example, If duplicate servers are found, what happen? Then we need to merge them and create rules to avoid duplication. Fourth one, monitoring helps identify missing, incorrect, or duplicate data. So for example, missing is the no IP address, incorrect data is the wrong operating system, and duplicate is the same CA entered multiple times. Fifth one, duplicate CA means the same real world item exists multiple times, more times. Duplicate means multiple times or more times. For example, one laptop is recorded twice in the CMDB. That's a duplicate, no? Then what happening in the problem? It will create the confusion and incorrect reporting. Instead of one laptop, there is two or more laptops. Then it will give the confusion and incorrect reporting. So sixth one. So duplicate data causes confusion and incorrect impact analysis. So what happening if the duplicate data is there, no? In the incident? Say it's a very delaying incorrect impact analysis and confusing also. So if one server fails, but CMDB shows the 3 entries, the result is the system assumes 3 servers are affected instead of 1. That's the issue. Seventh one, inaccurate data means it does not match the real world. It means CMDB, for example, CMDB shows the 16 GB RAM, but the actual server has the only 8 GB. What happened then? Then it will lead to the wrong decisions. Eighth one, remediation means fixing data issues. So what are the types of fixes are there? There are different approaches are there. The initial one is merge duplicate records or update incorrect data, delete unnecessary records. These are the remediation. Ninth one, duplicate CIS are resolved by merging or reconciliation records. For example, the same server is created by discovery and also in the manually. So what we need to do? We need to do merge these should be into single record. So in case of duplicate CIS, we should merge into the single CI. The final result is clean, trusted, and reliable CMDB. It means there is no duplicate data, and it's accurate information and reliable for the decision making and root cause analysis for the better decisions. So finally, a clean CMDB leads to the better decisions. So that's all for today videos, guys, on the CMDB data quality management. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Let me know if you want more exam focused questions and explanations. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the best.